Lifetime picnic tables combine strength, durability, and convenience with an attractive appearance and design you'll appreciate. Seating 6 to 8 people comfortably, the Lifetime 6-foot picnic table is perfect for your next family get-together, neighborhood barbecue, or just enjoying the summertime while eating outside. Lifetime's high-density polyethylene tabletops are stain-resistant, easy to clean, and you will never have to varnish or paint your table again. Our picnic tables are completely waterproof and will not split, chip, or peel. The UV inhibitors protect the table from fading or cracking, and the steel frame features a powder-coated, weather-resistant finish that is durable and protects against rusting. And with the unique one-piece folding design, Lifetime picnic tables fold completely flat, making them simple to store and transport. So be proud to show off your picnic table at the next neighborhood barbecue, family gathering, or group event and enjoy the great outdoors with a Lifetime picnic table. Lifetime, for the way you live.